My favourite fish has to be the emperor angelfish. Now this is a marine fish and it's really, really beautiful. When they're junior, they have really bright blue and black swirls all over their body, but when they're adults, so after about 25 to 30 months, they completely change their pattern and colorisation. So they have lots of blue and yellow stripes all across them, and they have a beautiful black mask across their eyes. They're a really, really fascinating fish to watch change colour, and they're really beautiful as well. This is a really great question. Our starfish have an amazing way of eating. So what they do is they have their mouth on the underside of their body and they push their stomach out through this and wrap it around their prey. So then they digest it outside their body. Now this means that they can eat a much larger meal than they would be able to normally. So what they do is when they finish digesting it is they pull their stomach back in and go off on their merry way nice and full. Nutrition is a really, really fundamental part of what we do every day as a husbandry team, and we have to make sure that we meet all the animals' different diets. Now there are various different diets for all the animals, but mainly the tropical marine fish eat a specially formulated diet of flake and pellet. Now this is a really special food that has all their nutrients in it. It's easy for us to feed them, and we feed them at different times of the day depending on what species it is. That's a really hard question because octopus are one of my favourite things and they are fascinating to watch. I could just watch them all day. But I think one of the coolest things about octopus is that they have 3 hearts and blue blood. We have to make sure that the water is really clean and really nice and clear for all you guys to enjoy our fish and for the fish to be happy. But basically it comes from the same place that you get your water from the normal tap. But we do make sure that it's mixed properly with salt and then it goes through all our filtration systems such as ozone and ultraviolet light to make sure that it's really safe for all our animals to live nice and happily. Behind the scenes tours are something we offer across a lot of sea lives now, and it's a really fascinating way for you to see what it is we do as a husbandry team and all the extra little bits that we do behind the scenes. We have a lot of plans for LIFE Manchester, so if you keep checking back on our website and our Facebook page and you'll find out more then. I'm really lucky to have worked with this really fascinating animal. I don't know if you know, but when they're fully grown, they can stand over a Mini Cooper, so that's pretty big. We have lots of plans for lots of really exciting stock in the Sea Life Centre, so if you keep checking our website and our Facebook for details, and you'll be able to find out about all the amazing animals we're going to have there. Jellyfish are really fascinating creatures. Some are really dangerous and some not so dangerous. A really interesting fact about one is that the largest jellyfish, the lion's mane jellyfish, has tentacles over 30 metres long, which is really, really long. And I don't know if you know as well, but they're also mainly comprised of water. Ribbon eels are something that are really difficult animals to keep in an aquarium. I'd need to know a little bit more about the history of this eel and the type of environment it's in, so if you'd like to message me with a little bit more details, then I'd be happy to answer you.